It was another amazing year for TeamConnor as we celebrated our support of research teams that are on the verge of making important discoveries in the treatment of pediatric cancers. As TeamConnor grows and evolves, we are more convinced than ever that our focus should remain on research. Every year, TeamConnor must ask and answer one question: where will the money we raise serve the greatest benefit? Dr. Mina Hedge is a pediatric oncologist at Texas Children's Hospital and the Center for Cell and Gene Therapy in Houston, Texas. Her work is focused on osteosarcoma, a tumor of the bone that generally affects teenagers.
And we aim to develop new modalities of treatment that is more targeted, less toxic, and more effective. One such method is to modify patients' own immune cells, genetically engineer them outside of the body, expand them, and then inject back into the patient to target the specific molecules that are expressed on the tumor cells. We have established the safety of such method in both children and adults in a phase 1 clinical trial, and this has allowed us to enroll and treat more children with advanced or metastatic sarcoma.
Hello from Colorado to TeamConnor. My name is Adam Green. I am a physician scientist at the University of Colorado and an attending pediatric neuro-oncologist at Children's Hospital, Colorado. So my work centers around a new chemotherapy drug called selinexor. Basically, with the help of our funding from TeamConnor, we did some crucial lab work that showed that this drug was effective. So we were able to turn that lab work into a clinical trial in about 2 years, which is pretty fast as these things go, and is really exciting for our field because the types of brain tumors, especially that I study, which are called high-grade gliomas, is really the last pediatric cancer in general for which we have no curative treatment. So it has a cure rate of 0, and with TeamConnor's help, we are trying to change that, and I think the work is really exciting.
Hello, my name is Ernesto Diaz-Flores. I am an assistant professor at UCSF Medical Center, and I'm a leukemia researcher. The support that TeamConnor has been giving us is being critical for the advancement of our research. Thanks to this support, we're able to do the first large study of hypodiploid leukemia, which has one of the worst prognoses in children leukemia. In 2013, TeamConnor gave us a very generous support, $100,000. And thanks to that support, we're able to do a large preclinical study. And we got very promising results that are now being used as a basis for the first clinical trial against high-risk childhood leukemia. The support of TeamConnor becomes essential in times like the current ones, in which federal grants are being reduced, and there's more and more groups, scientific groups, that are relying on this type of funds from foundations and institutions to fund their research.
I'm Lawrence Cooper from MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston, Texas, and I'm delighted to share my comments with you today and my gratitude to TeamConnor. They have helped us with our work here in Houston, developing so-called genetically modified T cells. These are T cells that have a chimeric antigen receptor, or CAR, inserted for the purposes of redirecting their specificity. TeamConnor are very helpful to us because as part of the funding strategy, they enabled us to purchase a piece of equipment known as an electroporator. This piece of equipment is the machine that enables the CAR, the genetic sequence coding for the CAR, to be inserted into the T cells. This is very useful technology and very helpful equipment, because without it, we couldn't make progress in terms of the genetic reprogramming. So we're deeply grateful to TeamConnor, and we thank you for helping them and therefore helping us.
Thank you again for your effort and providing us with this opportunity. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
We're really grateful for TeamConnor's support, and we think it's just a fantastic cause. So thank you.
I'm very thankful to TeamConnor Foundation as well as their donors for their support in helping us advancing our research. We cannot do it without research, and we cannot do it without you. Thank you very much.